Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Bitmart crypto trading application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in Bitmart to begin your search. Once you find the Bitmart crypto trading app, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Bitmart app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button. You can then just tap on this button and this will open up the application on your device. Now you can proceed with signing up to create your new account or log into your existing one to start using the Bitmart crypto trading app on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.